So again, no, about the center of mass, no. So ang iyang definition is it's the point, no, through which the whole weight, no. So it's highly unlikely that if this is a very very big body, that there's only one location for the whole weight, no. So as again, no, as defined, this is where the whole weight of this body is actually located. Now, imagine this to be a box. Can you actually say that the whole weight of the box is only found in one point?
No.
No, no. So if you try to slice the boxes into smaller, no, smaller cuts, no, you'll realize that those smaller cuts have a weight of their own. No? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Just imagine yourself, no? How big are you? No? So ang aton nga bilog nga lawas, may kamot kita, may tiil, no? We have our thoracic parts ang aton nga lawas, the bigger body naton, no? Now each of these portions of our body has their own weight, no? But would you believe me if I tell you that the concentration of your weight is located near your navel, no? Ang pusod mo na bala. Ang aton ko nga pusod, that's where the whole weight of our body is believed to be located. Would you agree? Huh? For example,
No, sir.
ha?
No.
No? So sa pusod mo, dira na locate ang weight mo kung hindi?
No, sir. Sa kahig, guro, sir. Sa tiil.
Sa tiil mo. Okay. So for example, hakwaton kabi, no? If somebody, no, would try to lift you, no? The significance of the center of gravity is like this, no? If somebody, no, wants, no, to lift you, di niya kahakwaton sa kahig mo, sa tiil mo, or sa imo
Hawak.
sa may pusod ka nimo niya ibutang sa bagaya, or ang imo bala tiil iya butongon, or ang imo liog?
Sa may pusod.
May pusod ya ka hakwaton nga aman. That's where your center of gravity is, and it's easier for him to balance you, no? Kung dira ya ka hakwaton, na? Okay? So again, the significance of the center of gravity is that you can easily balance a person or an object when you hold it at the center of gravity. So if this is a square, guys, no? And if the center of gravity is actually, no, the diagonals, no? So if I'm going to draw diagonals on this box, no? So the intersections of this diagonal now determines the point, no, of the center of geometry, or center of gravity, or center of mass, no? Now if I'm going to hold the body here exactly at this point, no, I'm going to balance this square easily, no, at the center of gravity, no? So that's how crucial is the center of gravity. Huh? So again, if in a regularly shaped figure like this one, you can easily draw it, no, by drawing diagonals. No? So if it's a rectangle, how do you draw or locate the center of gravity if it's a rectangle? Again, the same thing. No? You can draw another set of diagonals. No? So again, inaya kon regularly shaped figure, no? Okay, so again, no, this is where we believe, no, the concentration of the weight, no, of the whole object is believed to be found, no. Now the center of geometry is the geometric center of the plane, no. Now if I'm going to hold, for example, a ring, guys, no, so wedding rings, no, so ano ang pinakatunga sang wedding ring? Is there a metal there, or wala na?
Wala.
Wala na, no? But we believe that the geometric center of the ring is in that hollow portion, di ba? Kasi ang ring is circular mo, no? Now, we can also think of the center of gravity of that ring, guys, to be located in that hollow, empty space, no? Kaya mo nang iya pinaka-geometric center, no? So if ever, no, ang iyang concentration sa iyang weight probably could be found there as well, no? So again, no, the center of gravity may not always be, no, within the body itself. There are times when it may not be, no, it may be imaginary, like the ring, Or in this case of a square, no, ara gid sa sulod sa aton square, no? Okay, anyway, it's in the geometric center of this figure, no? So it's easier to locate when it is regular in dimension, no? Okay, now the center of mass, no? So our problem actually is when it is no longer, no, regular in dimension, no? What if it's not a regularly shaped figure? No? How can we locate the center of gravity? No? Of course, we have another way of doing it. No? Now, if we are going to place these guys, no, so try to picture this out. No? If I'm going to draw an axis here, no, so let me draw an axis. So if this is my y-axis, no, and then I'll draw another axis here. No? I'll draw this as my x-axis. You'll realize that I placed now my figure in the first quadrant of the intersections of the axis. No? So what are the values of x and y in the first quadrant?
Always positive. Both.
Always positive. All of them are positive. No? So again, for this figure, I can actually position the axis here in different ways. I can place this whole figure in quadrant 2, or I can place it in quadrant 3 or in quadrant 4. No? But why did I choose quadrant 1? Again, the values of our x and y are all positive. So you'll notice now why this is called 0, 0. No? Because this is the origin. No? Do you follow? So this corner here is known as the origin. Therefore, it has a coordinates na 0, 0. This is now called 0, 1 because its coordinate is going up on the y-axis. So this is 1, 1 because x is 1 and y is likewise 1. Now, what will be the coordinate of the center of gravity? So if I'm going to get half of 1, so this is 1/2 basically. X will be 1/2 and y will also be 1/2. So the center of gravity actually is a coordinate. And when we say coordinate, we will place it in the first quadrant para nga we will have both values nga positive. Now, actually, ang ato ning origin, we can also place it exactly at the center of gravity. So we can have actually so many possible coordinates. But in reality, there's just one location for the CG. Isa lang gina ang iya location. But when you assign the coordinate, you may have several versions of the coordinate. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, but again, para palarihas aton sabat, what will be our rule? Our rule will be that when we see the figure, we will just draw immediately the axis para nga we will have a uniform value for the CG. So I call the value center of gravity as CG, guys. And CG is a coordinate x bar, y bar. I'll call it x bar, y bar because, again, para nga we will not confuse it with an ordinary x value or an ordinary y value. So this refers to the center of gravity. So for this figure, this is 1/2 x and 1/2 y. Do you follow? So this is our center of geometry or center of gravity, 0.5, 0.5. There are actually a lot of things that we can find useful in the center of gravity nga topic, and for one, we find stability. We can observe objects to be more stable or not stable, less stable, when their centers of gravity are located on different locations. Okay, so what do I mean by that statement? So if I'm going to let me see my so let's not have that one. Okay, anyway, let me change this now and use a whiteboard, for example. Now, if I'm going to draw you, no? Let's say this is a, let me draw a wine glass, for example. So I'll position my wine glass in several ways, no? So I have this wine glass. This is now, maybe now this was recently washed, no? And they, so amo ni atong table, and we put it, no, like that. Maybe it's recently cleaned, no, ginhugasan, gano. Or we can also use the glass now, no? So this is a wine glass, and we are now about to use it, no? So you can also, no, put it upright so that you can pour some drinks there, no? Now, the location of the center of gravity of this wine glass, guys, no? So for example, I'm going to draw a small dot here, no? And supposing this is my center of gravity, no? So my center of gravity here is already siya dampi. When I put it upright now, no? Then obviously the location of the center of gravity is always the same, no? However, at that point, no, the center of gravity will be somewhere there, no? So I'll call this as my CG. And here, I'll call this as my CG. Question, in which location will I have now a more stable figure? No?
First.
So this one, no, I'll call this as stable equilibrium. No? The next one, it is still not moving, but this is rather, no, I'll call it as an unstable equilibrium. No? So we can achieve this object to be not moving. No? I think wala man siya nagahulagid when we pour a wine. But in which position will it be more stable? Again, when it is inverted like this. No? Again, in terms of stability or in terms of equilibrium, no? Which is more safer to position the object again, no, in figure 1. No? Why? What makes this more stable? What makes figure 1 more stable? Anybody?
Kay sir sa baba ya sir daw makita mo sir nga daw kaya ya ibuhatan bala sir ang bilog nga masang glass. Unlike
Okay,
di
so
sa isang
again, if these are base of support, no? If these are base of support, the floor, no? This is where we put the whole thing, no? You'll notice that the CG here is near the base of support, no? While this one, this is a little bit further from the base of support. No? So in terms of the location of the CG, no? So if the CG, again, no, it's more stable if, no, CG is near, no, or closer to the base of support. No? Now, if it is moved further up, no, then it becomes less and less stable. No? Now, I think you will also realize that now when we stack up, no, when we pile up boxes, no. So there are indications for boxes, guys, no, that do not stack beyond 3. Inambalan kada nila nga do not put beyond 3. No? Nga man, once you go beyond it, you'll notice that the boxes now starts to shake. No? And if you add more and more, then it starts to shake even more. No? So again, no, what's the reason for that? As you add more and more boxes, the CG or the center of gravity of the whole thing also rises. No? As it rises, then there's a tendency that this will now wobble, no, or eventually it will fall. No? Okay, so mabatian ta na sa mga salakyan, no? In some vehicles, you see some people sa mga buses that they are already on the roof of the buses. No? Is it safe? again, as you put more and more things at the top of the buses, the bus no eventually becomes more unstable. No? Notice nyo, pag abot sa mga likoon, no, tingala ka nga ang ina nga bus, that bus, no, suddenly, no, encounters an accident, kaya again, its center of gravity, no, is way so high, no, taas na gid kaayo. What makes sports car, no, more stable? Na ang mga sports car are more stable, no?
Low center of gravity, sir.
Okay, so they make the car, no, even more closer to the road, no? So the more closer, or galing sa Pilipinas, no, we could not use cars like that kaya may mga dalan kita nga hindi nami, or may mga hump, no? So kung may hump na dati ma-damage ng aron ng dalom sa salakyan mo, no? But the point is, no, again, the closer is your car, no, to the road, then the more stable it becomes, no? Now, how about this figure, no? Do you say ang iyang center of gravity dire changes? If this is a ball, no, will its height from the base change as it rolls?
No.
So wala, no? So sa bola, we call it as a neutral equilibrium, no? Okay. At any point, it's always, no, the same ang iyang height from the base, no? Not like the wine glass, no, wherein you can vary its position, no? But the question is, are there objects that are or are there vehicles or designs that are literally made more unstable than others?
Yes.
Yes, no, sa mga speedboats, if they are made so stable, ang iyang pagliko sina karon layo iya liko, no, kay it's very stable, budlay siya nga magtakilid, no, then mabudlay siya nga magliko, no. So there are some designs, guys, that are literally made, no, more unstable for it to make, no, some easier, no, and faster na pagliko, no. So again, no, depende sa design mo, no? Okay, so again, now in terms of stability, no, which is easier to flip over, no, ini, no? So let's say we will have a figure here, no? So let's say this is our figure. So it is supported, no, by some base of support, of course. And the next figure is, we may have this one. Okay, now let's say our CG here now is made by this dot. And we believe that the CG is where the whole weight of the body now is found. So this is our weight. Oh, sorry. Takilid. Liwaton ko lang akong drawing. So I have to make this, no? I have to drive a point. Let me erase that. So for example, this is our weight, guys, no? And the CG of this object now is somewhere here. Let's say this is where the CG is located. Okay, so that's the CG. Here, this is where the CG is found. So I'll call this weight, guys, no? This is another weight. Okay. Now, in which position will the object now be more stable?
The first figure,
Sa
sir.
una.
First figure. Why will we say nga mas stable ini?
Kay ang sa side, yung bala sir, kung i-turn sa bala sir, mas equal kag do mas stronger ang base
One,
niya.
ang aton base of support. No, this is the base of support, no? From this end to this end, no? And our center of gravity is within. No? It is within the base of support, no? So this is more stable compared to this one, no? Because ang iniya, the weight now where the CG is found, no, is exactly, no, at the tip of the base of support. So the slight push, no, this one will already tip over, no? Do you follow? Now, another figure probably that we can draw, no, obviously, will be something like this, no? This one probably, no, we will agree that this one will never be, no, stable. And again, no, let's say I'm gonna be a shape, no? And the CG, for example, is somewhere here. Okay, so how do you describe the location of the center of gravity here? Is this stable or not?
Hindi.
Not,
No, sir.
So again, even if we will not touch this, no, this one will just flip over or simply fall, no, immediately. No? That's why when you notice, no, there are structures like a tower, like post, no, like a column, no, sa mga balay. Why do they have to make it, no, erect? Why do they have to make it, no, perfect nga tadlong gid siya? Because again, no, it talks about stability, no? So if you have a leaning padang pusti nga patindog sa inyo tubang balay da nagahilay na nga daan, no? Again, by virtue of its own weight, no, matumba na lang na sa, no? Again, no, talking about how stable or safe is our structure, no? Again, no, the more also, no, the more things we add on top of it, no, then it adds to the instability, no, of the whole structure. So the base of support is, no, really, no, important in determining the stability. So if the base of support, if the CG is within the base of support, no, then it will be more stable. Now, have you seen a duck, guys? Nakita na mo sa pato? You did,
yes,
right?
sir.
Yes.
Now, why is it that ang tiil sang pato ara na lapit sa buli, no, do laba ng lawas ang pato? The duck has a longer body, no? And more likely, no, ang iyang center of gravity will be way off, no, sa iya tiil, no? But why is it that the duck, guys, na wala siya nagakamumo? Okay? No? So most likely, no, since ang pato lawas siya, ang yaliog laba man to, no? But why is it that the duck wala siya nagakatumba, no? Because you'll notice ang iyang tiil, ang iyang flip bala, laba man ang iyang flip, na. So therefore, it can cover, no, as a base of support, no? It can hold its weight, no, on its place, no? Okay? Why does, no, pregnant women, no, nga kung nagabusong na sila, nga do nagahilay, nagaliad sila man maglakat? Again, because ang aton nga center of gravity, since it's in our navel, no, it has to be covered by our feet, no? Otherwise, hindi sila makabalanse. No? Okay? Mamana na, big-bellied men, no? When you grow older, no, you'll notice that may iba no nga nagadako ang tiyan. And their tendency is, no, that their body structure has to be, no, inclined pakadto sa ilalikod. Nagaliad sila, no? Okay? To be able to support their body weight, no, through their feet, no? There's this activity that they do, no, to pick I think $100 bill, no? If they are able to pick it up, ilan na ang kwarta, no? But the rule of the game is they have to lean back, no, on the wall. Dapat ang ilalikod, no, it will be straight from the ano nandi ang sa ila ankle sang ila tiil bala, they will have to lean flat on the wall, and then no, they will bend straight, and ang kwarta ara da sa ila nga toe, sa ila nga tiil dio, sa punta sang ila nga kumalagko sa tiil. They will pick up the money in front of them, no, without bending their knees, no? So matiko lang ang ila nga buli kag mapudyoton nila ang kwarta, no? Okay, so again, if they bend their knees, no, or if their backs, no, or if the back of their foot, no, nga naga-lean sa wall, kung wala na gani nagatapik sa wall kag mapudyot nila, then they have to repeat the process, no? Now the activity, no, when it was done with several individuals, I think nobody was able to pick the money, no? Question nga wala. Again, no, you notice nga ang aton nga navel, the navel, no, ang aton pusod, when we lean forward, no, nagalabaw na sa aton tiil. So once maglabaw sa aton tiil, the tendency is for you to, no, really fall forward, no? So again, no, nobody was able to pick the $100 bill, no? So again, no, just to show, no, the significance of the center of gravity. And what are other reasons why we study the center of gravity, no? Our body fluids also, no, when we constantly, no, nagatindog kita the whole day, like teachers, for example, like workers, no, like sales ladies sa SM, wala na sila daya mga bangko. The whole time that they are on duty, they really have to stand up the whole time, no? Ang mga nagaobra sa mga fast food chain, no, they have no chairs there, no, although dining hall na daila ginaobrahan, but they are not allowed to sit in any of the chairs there, no? They simply roam around, no, but they have to stand for the whole duration of their duty, no? And amo na, no, continuous nga pagtindog, ang body fluids naton will run to our feet, no? Makadto matiner sa tiil naton, no? So amo na, no, the significance also of at times, no, we will have to raise our feet so that these body fluids will have to circulate back in our body. Now, for people with very poor, no, with very poor body circulation already, ang tiil naton, some older individuals or older persons, no, naga-encounter sila sang edema sang ila tiil bala. The body fluids are, no, since they have poor body circulation, ang ila tiil nagahubag, no, ano tawag na sa Ilonggo, basta nagadako ng fluids ara sa ila tiil, no? So there are times that the medical procedure will require them to drain that liquid, no, that fluid that is staying in their feet, no, through, no, gravity, no? Ginabutangan sila sang daw may naga-drip da, na para nga ang ila tiil hindi gangot-ngot na tiil mo kung nagakuan siya, no? Ang body fluid nagatinerda, no? So again, no, mentioning about, no, the significance of gravity or the center of gravity, no? Sa mga events like a judo, no, nga event, may mga tao, guys, nga dako ang ila kontra, pero ang ila kontra nga dalagko pwede nila tumbahon, no? Again, no, by knowing the center of gravity of that person, no? So sa judo, no, you see a lot of that, no? They will use the idea of the center of gravity by tumbahon niya kontra ang iya opponent, no? And maybe he gains a point by doing that, no, in some few steps, no? And ilampos siya kada sa salog na when he has the opportunity to do so. Pero gamay siya, no? Again, no, knowing the idea of center of gravity, no? Okay, we have a few minutes, no, for our first session. We have 3 minutes and less, no? I will pause for a while from this center of gravity discussion, and let me check your attendance, Anay, no? Pwede lang yun na. Let me... Sige, now let me run through some attendance. Are your microphones ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Wala man sang sa waiting room. Let me... we have 2 minutes 30 seconds. Sige, sige. Please say present, guys. Aklan, ara sa kayo na.
Present, sir.
Uba,